Welcome back to Miss Eddie's Math Movies, where it's so cute to be a square. Today's lesson is 2.2, all about angle bisectors. If you remember from yesterday's lesson, we learned about segment bisectors, which is something that cuts a segment in half. Well, today we're talking about angle bisectors. And an angle bisector is a ray that divides an angle into two equal pieces, in half, into two congruent angles. So today we're cutting angles in half. Let's draw ourselves a picture for this. So here's an angle, and we're going to draw a ray that cuts that right in half. So there is our angle bisector, right there. And to mark that those angles are equal, we put a little arc on this side with a tick mark, a little arc on this side with a tick mark. That means that those two angles are equal. So let's go ahead and try some of these. Example 1, ray BD bisects angle ABC. So let's look at that, ABC. And you see BD is cutting it right in half. ABC is 110. Notice they've got this whole arc. That means the whole angle right there. The whole angle is 110. And we know that it got cut in half, right? That's what bisect means. Cut into two equal pieces, cut in half. So 110 got cut in half. And half of 110 is 55. So angle ABD is 55, that's one half. And angle DBC is the other half, which is 55. All right. For the checkpoint, notice once again they give you the whole angle is 32. The whole angle is 90, and the whole angle is 161. So for each one, you need to find the measure of angle GHK and the measure of angle KHJ. So you'll have two answers for each one. But if you'll notice, they're the equal halves. So you're just cutting each number in half. I want you to do this now. See what's going on here. Ray MO, right here, bisects angle LMN. So angle LMN is getting cut in half. LMO is 46. So notice the arc doesn't go all the way across this time. Just this little angle over here is 46. I need to find angle OMN, so the other half, and then the whole thing, LMN. All right, well I know the other half, the halves have to be equal. So this other half has to be 46. And then the whole angle is 46 plus 46. So let's fill in these blanks. The two smaller halves are equal. They're both 46. And then we know that we have to do 46 plus 46, or we have to double 46 to find the whole thing. And the double of 46 is 92. And then notice there's a part B. Determine whether angle LMN is acute, right, obtuse, or straight. Well, LMN, it almost looks right in the picture, but we know that the whole angle is 92, which is obtuse. So for this checkpoint down here, this is what you need to do. You need to find the measure of angle SQP for each one, the measure of angle PQR, and then you need to classify angle PQR. So each problem will have 3 answers. And notice in each one they give you 1/2. Remember, bisect means cut in half. So you need to find the other half, then the whole thing, and classify the whole thing. Now we're going to use what we just learned and add some algebra to it. Ray R cubed bisects, so cuts in half, angle PRS. So this big angle just got cut in half. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put an arc here and an arc here. So we know that those 2 angles are equal. That's what bisect means. We've got 2 equal halves now. And we need to find x. Well, we know that this half is equal to this half. So we're going to write an equation. 6x plus 1 equals 85. This half equals this half from our picture and from our angle marks. So what are we going to do first? Let's subtract 1 from both sides. And we will be left with, I guess I can make that a little bit bigger, -1, 6x equals 84. To get the 6 gone, we need to divide this side by 6, divide this side by 6. So x equals 14. For the follow-up, we're going to check our answer. So we're going to plug 14 back in to make sure that that works. To make sure that this half is equal to 85. So 6 times 14 plus 1. All right, well, 14 times 6 is 84. And 84 plus 1 is 85. Perfect. That's what we were looking for. This angle over here is also 85. So now you have the checkpoints. Do these now. Remember, bisect means to cut in half. So you have 2 equal halves. This half is equal to that half. So I'm going to set this equal to that and solve. Same thing over here. This half is equal to this half. So set them equal and solve. Once again, this is M Cubed signing out.